In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy static files from a repository without a build process. We're going to publish a plain static site. Think simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript directly from your repository using GitHub Pages and a ready-made GitHub Actions workflow. No bundlers, no frameworks, and no build commands required. Start by opening your repository on GitHub, the one that already contains your static files. At the top, go to the Actions tab to access GitHub Actions. If GitHub prompts you to set up workflows for this repository, that's normal. Continue to the Setup page. Next, choose New Workflow. On the Templates screen, look for the Pages category and select it. From there, pick the Static HTML option. Make sure you're using the template provided by GitHub Actions. Then select the template called Deploy Static Files in a repository without a build. This is the one that's designed specifically for sites that don't need a build step. Click Configure to open the workflow editor. You'll now see a pre-filled YAML file. This is your workflow configuration. It usually includes a trigger on push to your default branch, permissions for pages, and a single job that uploads your static files as an artifact and deploys them to GitHub Pages. The key thing to check is the folder it deploys from. If your index.html and other assets live at the root of the repository, the default is perfect. If they're in a subfolder like public or site, update the path accordingly before you commit. Nothing else about the template needs to change for a basic static site. At the top, confirm the file path is highlighted as .github workflows static.yml. That's where GitHub looks for workflows. Use Preview to double-check everything reads as expected, then switch back to Edit to make any small tweaks you need, such as the source folder or the branch filter. When you're happy, commit the new workflow file to your repository. A clear message like, Add Pages workflow for static files, is helpful for future you. As soon as it's committed to the default branch, GitHub will kick off the first run automatically. You can watch its progress in the Actions tab. When the job completes, GitHub Pages will publish your site. That's it. You've deployed your static site straight from your repository without any build process, using a reliable, repeatable workflow you can update whenever your content